So in this video, you'll learn how to use AI to change the style of a photo on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So you're going to start by opening the Gallery app, then you're going to find the image. From here, tap on the AI editing icon like so, and then choose the option Style. You can see different styles that are currently available for you. So go ahead and choose one of the styles that are available. And once you've successfully selected it, you're going to tap on Generate and wait for it to be restyled into that option that you've just chosen. Once it's done that, you can see the new option image that they've just given you. And when you tap on Show Previous, you can see how it looked like before. So you can see there's a slight difference, but it's not too big. If you can choose to save it as a copy, or you can tap on Keep Editing and go ahead and continue customizing to your liking. Say, for example, if you choose another style that you would like to use, again, just tap on Generate and wait for it to finish generating. And there you have another option. So you can keep going until you find one that suits your preferences. Then you can tap on Save Copy, and there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.